Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make macaroni blahem spaghetti with meat, and the ingredient for that is tomato sauce, pasta, meat, oregano, garlic, onion, butter, basil, black pepper, salt, and some spices and olive oil. So first I'm gonna drizzle some oil, about like 2 tablespoons olive oil. And then this is 1 onion, I'm gonna crush it, and I'm gonna add the garlic to it and some fresh basil. Put them all together. I love to use that because it's very easy to cut the onion, the garlic. So if you like that, the link will be in the description. And for this dish, you can put as much meat as you want. It depends how much you are cooking. So that's why I put the meat with the onion like that. I need the meat to be smooth and smaller pieces. The difference between the Lebanese spaghetti than the American, we cook the meat with the pasta. So I'll make the sauce, I'll cook the meat, and then I'll put the macaroni. And as you see, I didn't cook the macaroni all the way. I cook it halfway because I want it to be cooked in the sauce with the meat. Saute the meat good. After we saute, I'm gonna put the sauce. So now our meat is done. I'm gonna put the tomato sauce and the spices. So this is homemade sauce. I'm gonna cook it with the meat. I will put like 3 cups of sauce. Maybe I will need a little bit more. Tomato paste, it depends. I'm gonna wait until I put some water with it, boil it, and then try to see if the sour with the tomato, with the spices is the texture that you want. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water to it, maybe 1 cup. And let it boil until you have thick sauce. So now I'm gonna put the butter. You put like 2 tablespoons and let it simmer with the sauce. If you put the sauce in low heat, it's better. So I don't know what they call it in Arabic. So the sauce will like تعشق بعضها. عرفت شو بتصير هيك كتير stick to each other. And I'm gonna add salt and pepper. The oregano and the basil, I'm gonna add it little later because I don't want it to get bitter, because the oregano, it makes it a little bitter, the za'atar. So I will wait until the sauce is ready, and then I'll add the pasta, the spaghetti with the oregano. Half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon 7 spices. You can add more if you want, just like let it simmer and cook together, and then you can add. I like the sauce to be like little darker, the color, so I'm gonna add to it maybe 1 tablespoon tomato paste. So I mix some of the tomato sauce with water, and I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon tomato paste with it. Gonna let it simmer, and when it's thick, I'll add the spaghetti and cook it about like 10-15 minutes. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna try the sauce to see if it's blend together. Let's see. Yes, smells good. And tastes good. So I'm gonna add the oregano and the basil, the dry basil. Smells so good. Now I'm gonna cook it about like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. We'll see when the spaghetti is to absorb the liquid, the water, the juice. The girl's not gonna be happy today. We made it with meat, but it's the same thing. If you want to make it vegetarian, just take the meat out and you'll have it vegan or vegetarian. So now our dish is done. Hope you like it. Please try to make it and let me know in the comment if you like it or not. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.